Alright, I'm here to make another video for you guys, showing you guys how to program 2 new keys in an Acura TLX. So basically what I'm gonna do is, this works for all the TLX, all the TLX models. Using the XTOOL pad S. Pad S. Now I'm gonna show you guys the process. So I'm gonna go to key programming. So I'm gonna go to Acura. Okay, you're not going to be able to turn the ignition on because this is an all keys lost process that I'm showing you guys here. So now I'm going to go to buy vehicle. I'm going to go to TLX. I'm going to go to smart key. I'm going to go to button to start. Please turn on the ignition. The press start could be ignition be turned on. You click no. So it's going to power on the ignition by itself. It says please keep pressing the start button. Oh. Okay, now the dashboard lights up. This is all keys lost. The ignition is on, release the stop smart button. So it'll automatically force start the vehicle on when you lose all lost keys with the machine, okay? So we're gonna do all lost keys. Take all smart keys 2 meters away from the vehicle. So basically what I'm gonna do is take the keys out of the car. Put them on the grass. Okay. It says put a smart key. Hold on, I gotta put 1 smart key in the car. Okay. So I'm gonna put 1 smart key in the car. Then you see, please turn on the ignition. The ignition's already on. Can the ignition be turned on? It's already on. It powered it on already. Enter the number of smart keys to be programmed. So we have 2. So we're going to type in 2. It's configuring the system right now to add the 2 keys in for the TLX. It says take a smart key out of the car. A new one's already in the vehicle. So it's communicating with it. Smart key has been registered. Please put another smart key in the car and click yes to try again. Okay, so this one is registered now. Put this one to the side. I'll grab the next one. Okay. So it says a smart key has been registered. Put another smart key in the car and click yes. So I hit yes. It blinked, the smart key blinked, meaning that it picked it up. So now it says turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Switch the ignition on. 1, 2. The mobilizer light did go out. The key light did go out. Switch the ignition off. Switch the ignition on. Switch it off. Switch it on within 15 seconds. Program success. Both keys are in less than 4 minutes. Okay, that's the process here. So now I'm gonna turn the vehicle off. Now I have one of the smart keys, the one that I just programmed. It's locking and unlocking the doors, and I'm gonna start the car. Oh, machine fell over. Car started. So now I'm going to take this one out and put the new one in. So I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to turn this. This is the, what is this? It says key 1. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off and then try the next one. Okay. So now I have the next key here. Hold on. Got caught in the door. This is key number 2. Hit the brake, start the car, and the car starts. So both keys are already in. That's how you do all those keys. All right. Lock, unlock. Yeah, everything's good to go. All right. I wanted to show you guys how to do all those keys on the TLX because I noticed that nobody online has a video for this. So decided to make a video for it. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do is, so you can also go into options here. Okay, so you can read the number of keys. The ignition's on already. 2 keys registered to the vehicle. Okay, so then we also have all those keys. Number of keys, replace BCM. So you can replace the BCM in the TLX. Replace the ECPM. You can function introduction. So this tells you the introduction. Tells you step by step what it's going to show you on the screen during the process. And then this is the process that it's going to show you to replace the BCM, the body control module. Double click on the start button, whether the ignition can be turned on. If you need to replace the BCM. This one is if you replace the computer. This is what it's going to be if you have to replace the computer. This is cool. It shows you these options. Puts me step by step, shows me exactly what I'm going to need to do so I don't mess it up. Okay. So then also, basically, that's just what it does for the TLX, a smart key. Hit button, ignition's turned on. These are the options that it has. As you can see, it works great. There'll be a link down in the video description for this tool. Basically, yeah, this tool works great. XTOOL Pad S, 100 Pad S works great. All right, so I'm gonna make a couple more videos for this, showing you guys other stuff that this tool can do. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them, to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.